All right, so if you're in the market for, say you want to clean your ears and you want to do it yourself, you can have an app and a little probe. Check this thing out right here. This is cool. Now, what it is, this is the charger. This is the probe. That's a cleaner. This is some of the tips for the top. Now, what's really cool about this is in here, well, I'll go this way, that way it's a little bit easier. You have all your tools. You take them out and you have a bunch of different tools that you can use. There's 6 different tools. And if you can see, you got a scraper, like a spoon. This is like 2 little spatulas. This is like a brick thingy. I don't know, like a ribbed type thing. And then this is like a little bit of a spring type thing. There you go, you can kind of see it there. But comes in this really cool little container. Looks like stainless steel. It's pretty sweet. Now, when you use the app, it's cool because you can use the app while you're doing the thing. You turn it on, you connect it, all this stuff, and you have this right here. And you can go in and you can be looking at your phone while you're in there trying to, clean it up. It's pretty sweet. Very simple. Power on right here, indicator right there. You just turn it on. It'll start, it'll go Bluetooth connect to the phone, and then you're on your way. So if you're looking for something like this is a pretty plain Jane, simple type tool. I have this, and then I have the water one. That way I can do this and then do water afterwards. Works perfect. All right, I hope you enjoy this. There it is.